Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to start algebra. Before I start to solve the sums, I would like to introduce you with the term algebra. This is an important branch of mathematics. It deals with variables and unknowns, and we are expected to find the value of the unknowns. It follows all the rules of arithmetics, and it uses the four main operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Algebra introduces a new element, the element of the unknown. While in arithmetic, the only thing that was ever unknown was the answer to the problem. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to unknown. The answer of this question is unknown until we go ahead and do the arithmetic. Like we will have to add these two numbers and we will get 7. The more important thing about algebra is that when we don't know what number is yet, we use a symbol in its place. That symbol is just any letter of the alphabet. That is A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. A popular letter which is used in algebra is the letter X. So in arithmetics, we will just leave the problem like this. 4 plus 3 is equal to unknown number. We will write the answer after we do the addition. But in algebra, we will write like this: 4 plus 3 is equal to X. And then we will have to find the value of X, as the X stands for the unknown number. Now I will tell you what is equation. A mathematical statement consists of an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions that have the same value. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to X. Here 4 plus 3 is the expression on the left hand, which is equal to the expression X on the right hand side. One of the main goals of algebra is to find out what the unknown values in equations are. So in order to find out the unknown values, we solve the equation. So the finding of the unknowns is equal to solving the equations. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to X. Then it is pretty easy to see that the unknown value is 7. Like 4 plus 3 is equal to X, X is equal to 7. But in algebra, we are usually given an equation in a more complicated way, like X minus 3 is equal to 4. This is exactly the same as 4 plus 3 is equal to X. Just we have to arrange the equation, then we can find the answer of the unknown. So in algebra, we are given complicated equation, and our job is to simplify and rearrange them. Like 4 plus 3 is equal to X and X is equal to 7. It will tell us how to solve the equation in the easiest way. It is enough for today's lesson. In the next lesson, I will tell you the way to solve the equations. We will meet in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.